Hello and welcome. Our topic for the day is creating equations of circles from two key points. To understand the concept, let's do some questions. The first one says solve the point 1 and -5 lies on a circle with the center whose coordinates are 7 and -8. What is the equation of that circle? So looking at the diagram, we are given the coordinates of the center, that is 7 and -8, and we are given a point on the circle that has the coordinates 1 and -5. We have to find out the equation of the circle. Now we can use the center and the radius form of equation, that is x minus h whole squared plus y minus k whole squared equals to r squared, where h and k are the coordinates of the center of the circle. In the given question we are given h equals to 7 and k equals to -8. R we do not know, we have to find out. How we can find out R? If we find out the distance between these 2 points, that is the center and the point on the circle. This distance is nothing but the radius R. The radius R can be found out using the distance formula. So let's have the center coordinates as x1 and y1, and x2 and y2 are the points on the circle. So x1 is 7, this is -8, y1, x2 is 1, and y2 is -5. So radius r is given by x2 minus x1 whole squared plus y2 minus y1 whole squared. So we'll plug in our values. x2 is 1 minus x1 is 7 whole squared plus y2 is -5, y1 is minus -8 whole squared. 1 minus 7 is -6, -6 squared is 36, plus negative times negative is a positive, so we have -5 plus 8 is a 3, and 3 times 3 is 9. So square root of 45 is the radius. So now we have h, we have k, we have r. Plugging these values in the equation of the circle, we get our equation. So x minus 7 whole squared, that is the value of h, plus y minus k is -8 whole squared equals to square root of 45 whole squared. Simplifying it further, x minus 7 whole squared plus y, negative times negative is a positive, 8 whole squared equals to square root of 45 times square root of 45 is nothing but 45. This is the final equation of the circle, and let's see which option it is matching to. This is matching with option A. Let's move on to the next question. Solve 2 points 5 and -8 and -9 and -5 are the endpoints of the diameter of the circle. What is the equation of that circle? Let's look at the diagram. We're given two endpoints of the diameter, that is 5 and -8, and this is -9 and -5. First you have to find out the coordinate of the center and then the radius. Center coordinates can be found out by using the midpoint formula, because the center will lie exactly at the center of the endpoints of the diameter. So as per the midpoint formulas, let h and k be the coordinates of the center of the circle, and this be x1, y1, x2 and y2. So h is given by x1 plus x2 by 2, which is equals to 5 minus 9 by 2, which is -4 over 2 equals to -2 equals to h. So we have the h coordinate. K is given by y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Y1 is equal to negative 8 minus 5 divided by 2, which is negative 13 over 2, or negative 6.5 is the k. Now we have the coordinates of the center, so we'll be using our x minus h whole squared plus y minus k whole squared equals to r square. So we have h equals to negative 2, k equals to negative 6.5. Now what we need to find out is r. R, again, we can use any of the endpoints and the coordinates of the center, and using the distance formula we can find out r. R, let's take the points 5 and negative 8, and the coordinate of the center, that is negative 2 and negative 6.5, to calculate r. R can be calculated by using the distance formula. So this is negative 2 minus 5 whole squared plus negative 6.5 minus negative 8 whole squared, like this. Now negative 2 minus 5 is a negative 7, and negative 7 times negative 7 is a positive 49, plus negative 6.5, here negative and negative becomes positive, so 8 minus 6.5 is 1.5 times 1.5 equals to 2.25. This is equals to square root of 51.25 is r. Now we have the h and k and r. Now we can plug in the equation of the circle, that is x minus negative 2 whole squared plus y minus negative 6.5 whole squared equals to square root of 51.25 whole squared. Put in the parentheses. So negative times negative is a positive, so x plus 2 whole squared plus negative times, here also there is a negative sign, y plus 6.5 whole squared. Square of square root of 51.25 is nothing but 51.25 itself. So this is our final equation of the circle. Let's see which option it is matching to. This is matching with option D. X plus 2 whole squared plus y plus 6.5 whole squared equals to 51.25 is the final answer. Let's move to the next question. 2 points 2 and negative 3 and negative 10 and negative 4 are the endpoints of the diameter of the circle. So we mark it over here, 2 and negative 3 and negative 10 comma negative 4. First we find out the coordinates of the center and then the radius using the distance formula. So first we find out coordinates h and k of the center by using the midpoint formula. This is our x1, this is y1, this is x2, and this is y2. So h is given by x1 plus x2, that is 2 minus 10 divided by 2, which is negative 8 over 2, which is equals to negative 4. So we have h as negative 4. K is found out by y1 plus y2 divided by 2, which is negative 7 over 2. K is given by negative 3.5. So we have the coordinates of the center as negative 4 and negative 3.5. So we'll use the equation of the circle as x minus h whole squared plus y minus k whole squared equals to r squared. Here we found out that h equals to negative 4 and k is equals to negative 3.5. So we'll now find out the radius r by taking one of the endpoints and the coordinate of the center just found. So we'll take 2 and negative 3 and negative 4 and negative 3.5 as the 2 points to find out the radius. So this is nothing but r equals to negative 4 minus 2 whole squared plus negative 3.5 minus 3 whole squared under the root. Negative 4 minus 2 is a negative 6. Negative 6 times 6 is a 36 plus this negative times negative is a positive, so we get negative 3.5 plus 3 as negative 0.5, and 0.5 times 0.5 is 0.25. This is equals to 36.25. So we have the radius. Now we have h and k. All we need to do is plug in the values in the equation of the circle. So this is x minus negative 4 whole squared plus y minus negative 3.5 whole squared equals to square root 36.25 whole squared. So simplifying it further, we get x, negative times negative is a positive, plus y, negative times negative is a positive, equals to square root of 36.25 is nothing but 36.25 itself. So this is our final equation of the circle and can be seen in option A. I hope creating equational circles from two key points is easy now. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.